Hello everyone, this is NAI here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this geometric line art seamless pattern in Affinity Designer. This pattern is based on this geometric line art figure on which I recorded a tutorial not very long ago. I will add the link for it in the description below in case you haven't seen it. So we are going to start from the already completed figure. So first we press on Ctrl A to select all the elements in the composition. And then we press on Ctrl G to group them together. And first we are going to give them a thicker stroke. So we go to the Stroke tab. And we give them 1.5 in stroke width. And then we're going to delineate the tile. So the tile is going to be located from this corner here of the hexagon to this corner here. So we are going to delineate it with the rectangle tool. So we take the rectangle tool and we set the fill and the stroke to none. And we draw a rectangle from this corner here to this corner here. And then we select the rectangle and we make sure that it is positioned correctly. So we are going to create the pattern as white stroke on a dark gradient background. So the way that we are going to do this is we select the group of lines. We go to the color tab and we set the stroke color to white. And then we press on Escape to unselect. We go here to document setup. We go to the color tab and we check on transparent background and we click on OK. So this creates the transparent background that we need. And then we select the rectangle again. And then the next step is going to be to export its content. So we go to File, Export. We set the file type to PNG so that it can include transparency. And we set the area to selection area to export only what's within the rectangle. And we click on Export. Alright, so now we have exported the tile and we can use it to do a pattern fill. So we go to File, New, and we create a new composition. And then we take the rectangle tool, we set the fill and the stroke to none. And we draw a rectangle all over the composition. We select the rectangle and we press on Ctrl J to duplicate it. We select the rectangle underneath and we take the gradient tool. We leave the context as fill and we set the type to linear. And we draw a gradient from the top left to the bottom right of the composition. We set the top color to dark blue. And the bottom color to a darker shade of blue, almost black. And also we are going to give it a bit of noise. And then we select the rectangle upwards. And we are going to bring in the tile. So we take the vector float fill tool. We go to set bitmap fill. And we select the tile that we just created. We click on the composition and this creates a pattern fill. And then we can adjust the handles to make the pattern bigger or smaller. And we can rotate it while holding shift to rotate it by 45 degrees increments. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a geometric line art pattern in Affinity Designer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time. Bye.